Okay, welcome back. I hope you finished Mathia getting started. Okay, once you start rolling, okay, you'll see your time, your problems, your workspaces. Don't worry about hints, don't worry about mistakes. That's how we learn. Okay, as a matter of fact, the more mistakes you make, the more you're going to learn. Serious. All right, so if you ever need to go back, you can review. But this tells you your next one, so just follow the numbers. Start, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to have 12 units, 26 workspaces. This isn't something we get done overnight. Okay, we're looking for those little workspaces. Cool. All right, so let's click. Let's get started. Let's go with shapes. Now, the other day in class, we talked about what makes a square, right? All right, so now we're rolling. This is the actual assignment for the end of next week, right? Okay, so we're on the 21st to the 25th. You're going to get started here. So intro to geometric figures. And then we have lines, rays, and segments. And then we have working with measures of segments and angles. So in class, we've got to actually talk about what is a line, a ray, a segment, and an angle. So we're going to talk about that. Okay, lines, rays, and segments. And then we got to actually get into what makes an angle. All right, so here we go. Now, as you do these, hints are good. Okay, I love the way they do terminology. So just like before, we're actually going to watch geometry, a point, a line, okay, and a segment. All right, so we watch this little video here, and then we can just start rolling along. Okay, and that's our final assignment for the week. Okay.
You have probably heard before that math is everywhere, and maybe you didn't believe it.
Okay, make sure that you take notes. If you remember in the getting started, it wants you to take notes. Now, we talked about the class on Monday. Okay, so a point, a line, a ray, and an angle. So make sure you use your notes. Okay, we'll just start rolling through the vocabulary. Remember, it's all about vocabulary. Okay. All right, we got through the first one. We'll hit I'm done. It loads the next one. Hopefully this helps you start rolling through workspaces. We're looking for a workspace. You'll see when it tells you that, okay? So points, lines, planes. I just wanted to get to this one because this is where you can drag and drop, okay? Drag and drop. Cool? All right. Have a good week.